Thanks for joining us for one last video on ISE Show TV. We're here with, of course, Mike Blackman.
Hi, Paul.
Mike, ISE 2026, been a whirlwind. My feet are sore, but my heart is full. How's the week been for you?
My feet are really sore. I think I'm going to have a really good sleep this weekend. It's been a phenomenal week. We have been all the new things we've been doing, lots of new people. I know you're going to ask me, so I'm just going to preempt you. Last night, we were 10% up. We'd actually already surpassed last year's visitor number yesterday evening. Last year we had 85,351, and last night we were over 87,000 people through the door. So I'm waiting for today's numbers. It's still got 20 minutes to go, and in that time I'll be releasing at the press conference and letting people know exactly how many people came.
I want to talk about the new additions this year. Obviously, there's not a gamble, but you never quite know maybe how they're going to land. I've had nothing but positive things about nearly everything, I think, especially Spark. How have the new additions felt to you? How have they landed?
Well, ISE is always about new things and having a team that's motivating. Push beyond, that was our theme, and that's what we did. And if we don't push beyond, if we don't try new things, we won't keep our attendees motivated. We had our cyber security conference for the first time. That was great. The Investor Forum for the second time went really, really well. We launched Spark, which was sort of creative industries, raging success. But my highlight was the drone show. We had on Tuesday evening, live opera singer, orchestra, the big screen and drones entertaining a crowd outside the Feria Gran Via. We did that again on Wednesday night with Jerome van der Moss and again on Thursday night. A big success at ISE.
I believe that the show is such a success that if you're trying to book for next year, it's not possible because it's sold out. Is that true?
This morning, my team told me they're about to be sold out. So if you haven't been in yet, I don't know if there's any space, but we are trying to increase and find new spaces. Otherwise, we have to wait until 2028 when we move into the new building as well.
Wow, it's incredible to think just a few years ago we moved out the ride because we'd outgrown that, and now we're talking about sold out shows again. The show is just a behemoth. It just grows.
It's a monster that just keeps growing, and I think that's part to the resilience of the industry, an industry that's growing and encompassing new areas. I mean, think about it. The way we live, the way we work, the way we travel, the way we shop, AV's involved.
Yeah, it's just, I every year I say can't get bigger and it does, and I look silly, so I'm going to stop saying it. I think that's my New Year's resolution.
Well, I can tell you already, it is bigger.
Yes. I mean, it's all credit to you and your team. I know you work incredibly hard all year round, so congrats, and I take my hat off to you all. Mike, lovely to talk to you, and congrats again on the show.
Thank you. See you next year.